today this really beautiful bridge that has been inaugurated is very, very inspiring. The fact that all these 3 VECs have come together and pool in their money to complete this bridge is a sign that shows that if there is a will, there is a way. The people of this village have given an example to the people of the state that if we all put our head and heart together, we will be able to resolve the problems that we face. So it's a beautiful example, and I must congratulate all the presidents and secretaries and members of all the VECs who have made this possible.
Banyo i ya kajinga trelang jong kishnong kitao kang tam ki VEC. Banyo i balai teli ki VEC kin wan lang ban trelang ban pendep ya kada project. Kadai ka sembal ka babha banyo i bakadon kajinga skul tho jengmut kajinga trelang.
So price and getting a better price for the products that our farmers make is the goal that we all have. The problem is the production is not enough. The problem is that there is no storage. The problem is that you don't have access to market. The problem is you don't have processing. The problem is you don't have training, you don't have packaging. So therefore it's important to understand in our minds the categorization of what we have said. So therefore it's very interesting today that you mentioned about almost all those other problems. So now if we look at the problem of production, we realize that if a farmer is alone, he or she will produce 10 kgs of squash, say. And if you go to the market, you don't have enough quantity to get the price that you want. So therefore we felt that why don't we converge and bring 10-15 farmers together so that if each one is producing 10, then you can have 100 or 150 kgs. And that is the quantity which may get you the price that you want. And therefore, we started this program of the producer group. And we're trying to promote producer groups so that farmers or individuals can come together so that you can get more production